Sure, the pace of life is laid back in Northwest British Columbia, but when it comes to accessing today's technology, we want speed. Luckily, there's a new technology bolting its way through Northwest BC to serve our growing communities. It's Fibro, the fiber optic alternative from City West, and it's bringing super fast internet access, high-quality digital TV and voice services right to the doors of Northwest BC homes and business. So instead of seeing this, you see this. And instead of seeing this, you see this. Plus, you get a wide range of voice options for your home or business. Because City West is based in Northwest BC, we can provide our services at reasonable prices with more responsive support than the other guys. We care about the communities we serve, making charitable donations and investing in building a reliable telecommunications network throughout the region. Call City West, your Northwest connection, today. You'll be surprised how much better life can be when you bring Fibro into your future.